Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Kama Electronics. Today I want to show you a Furuno GPS. Actually, this GPS is fault when I connect power, it's not turning on. So before two engineers are try to solve that, but both engineers are failed. Now we have received this GPS. You can see the GPS model is GP170. And when we have received this equipment, we are we saw there have some IC, but IC are not present uh, in there, and 5 volt also short. And when I connect uh, DC line with my power supply, it's going short situation. So now we are repaired successfully. So now I want to show you where is the actual problem. You can see there is two module. We will make these both modules for repair this circuit. This is actually DC to DC section. So they have mentioned the voltage. This coil is 3.3 and this coil is 1.5. You can see there is mentioned 3.3 volt. So I want to connect this equipment with my power supply. You can see I set the DC voltage 23 volt on my DC supply, and I connect negative pole with this negative section and positive pole positive section. You can see there have no any reading, uh, 10 milliampere. So now I check the voltage on this circuit. There there should present 23, means 24 volt. Yes, there is showing 24 volt on my multimeter, and this is the DC to DC buck section. You can see there have a coil, and there also another coil, and there also another coil. So now we are connect negative probe on this negative point, and uh, you can see that is mentioned 24 volt, sorry, 12 volt on this pole. Yes. There is 12 volt mentioned. You can see multimeter also showing 12 volt, and this coil show 12 volt, this coil show 12 volt, and this coil show 5 volt. This is the 5 volt DC to DC buck converter. There had a solid capacitor. Previous engineer tried to solve that, and he removed this capacitor. Now we have put a capacitor, 1000 microfarad 25 volt capacitor. You can see there is showing 5 volt, and they are showing 3.5 volt, means 3.3 volt. They are showing 1.5 volt. So actually these IC are not available in our local market. That's why we are make a circuit for repair this equipment. Now I show you the display. You can see the system is done and all function are working very smoothly. So thank you, thanks for watch. If you want to repair this type equipment like radar, S band, X band, and GPS, AIS, all type of navigation equipment, PLC, HMI, VFD here, then you can contact with us. Our number is mentioned on our description box. Thank you, thanks for watching.